Freshwater jellyfish. These jellyfish are tiny and clear. They float gently in lakes. They don't sting people but love warm water. Tadpoles are baby frogs. They have tails and no legs at first. They grow legs as they turn into frogs. Water flea. Water fleas are tiny like dust, but they move in jerks. They are food for small fish. They keep lakes healthy and clean. Leeches are long, soft worms that live in ponds. Some suck blood, but most eat plants. They move by stretching and sticking. Crayfish look like tiny lobsters. They have claws and live under rocks in rivers. They walk, swim, and dig tunnels. River prawn. River prawns have long arms and blue claws. They live in tropical rivers and love muddy bottoms. They are strong and quick swimmers. Mudfish can breathe air and survive in little water. They wiggle through mud when rivers dry up. They are clever and tough. Killifish are colorful and tiny. They live in puddles, rivers, and lakes. Some can even live in very little water. Mosquito fish eat mosquito larvae. They help keep ponds clean and healthy. They are small but very useful. Guppies are tiny, bright fish with colorful tails. They live in calm rivers and ponds. They are playful and always moving. Manatees are big, gentle animals with round bodies. They live in warm rivers and eat seagrass. People call them sea cows. Dugongs look like manatees but have dolphin-shaped tails. They swim slowly in calm waters. They are peaceful and love sea plants. River otters have smooth fur and long tails. They slide down muddy banks for fun. They love to play and swim together. Giant river turtle. These turtles have large, dark shells and kind eyes. They live in deep, slow rivers. They can grow as big as a table. Soft-shell turtles have flat, soft shells. They can bury themselves in sand to hide. Their long noses help them breathe like snorkels. Gharials have very long, thin snouts full of teeth. They live in Indian rivers and eat fish. They look funny, but are very gentle. River catfish, giant Mekong. The giant Mekong catfish is one of the biggest freshwater fish. It can grow longer than a person. It lives in the Mekong River in Asia. Arapayimas are giant fish from South America. They can breathe air and jump high. Their shiny scales look like armor. Freshwater crocodile. These crocodiles are smaller and calmer than saltwater ones. They bask in the sun along riverbanks. They help balance nature in the water. Amazon River dolphin, Bodo. Amazon dolphins are pink and friendly. They use sound to find their way in muddy water. People say they bring good luck to those who see them.